So in this Air Canada app tutorial, I will be showing you how to book flights with layovers on the Air Canada app. So for some reason, if you're looking for flights that are not direct, it's pretty straightforward. Go to the bottom left, press on book, then select your flight type. So I will just use one way as this example, and I will select Calgary as if we're going to Toronto, and let's say we're going on the 24th, I'll press continue. Once your dates and your locations are selected, go to the bottom, press search one-way flights. And once you're on this page right here, it's going to be all the different type of flights here, so most of which are nonstop. If you want to refine the search a little bit, go to the bottom right, search up, sort, and filter. Then go down to where it says filter, and you can go one stop or fewer, or two stops or fewer. So let's go one stop or fewer, and I'll press done this way. And then once again, it'll be nonstop flights right here. But if you were to keep scrolling down a little bit, you can then find flights that have a layover here. So in this one, YUL, YVR, YWG, YOW. Bunch of different flights right here. You can go ahead and select one of these flights if you want to book a flight with a layover. So if I wanted to go ahead and press this one, for example, I can then select this. There you go. My flight is selected, and then you can proceed that way with the booking here. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to book flights with layovers on the Air Canada app. Thanks again for watching, and hope this helps.